Welcome to Las Vegas.
I think the pros are excellent glasses, really convenient.
There we go.
I put this at the highest notch.
I got one of these bagels. No, this is great. Oh, we're seeing
I use 3 monitors at home and I can't travel with 3 monitors, so this is exactly what I'm looking for.
It looks very clear and crisp.
Put them on. I like that they dim when you're like looking at somebody versus not. That's really cool. I didn't know that before coming here.
I think they're amazing and I'm going to buy them.